car mats are in, they're installed. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how they look. What's going on YouTube? SRT Dad, and guys, I'm happy to say that I have my second sponsor, guys, Luxus car mats. I got my mats in here, guys. We're gonna go ahead and do an install video on them today. We'll make it nice, short, and quick. But first, guys, I gotta pull the car out and clean the inside out because she's filthy. My 3 kids just got that thing destroyed. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so here's the inside now. You can see I have some SRT 8 mats. You can see like my car's a mess right now, guys, but here they are. Okay, look at the back. The back, just regular mats. A gym bag there. Car's a mess right now, guys, so like I said, I'm gonna vacuum it real quick. Here's the front, SRT 8. It's got some metal pedals. I got this cord here for my tuner, so I'm hoping to be able to cover that up pretty well. All right, let's go ahead and check out the mats. All right guys, so I pulled all the mats out. Here we have the driver's side, the passenger side, and the back. So I decided to get the stripe design because everybody gets a diamond design. I want to go a little different, and this is a Ferrari red color. I was thinking of going black, but I wanted something to contrast with the black interior I have in the car. But here they are, guys. Looks pretty good. Hopefully the install's not too hard. So let's go ahead and vacuum the car, and then we'll get these mats on, guys. All right, guys, so here's the old mats here. You can see they're starting to fade up. I did vacuum them. I'm sure if I washed them with a carpet cleaner or something or some shampoo, they'd look brand new. What do you guys think I should do with the old ones? I think I'm gonna keep them for now, and if these really do hold up like Luxus car mats say they do, I'll probably sell these, or maybe give them away. Maybe do a giveaway once we hit 3,000 subs. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Here's the new ones, guys. They're really nice. We'll go ahead and start putting these on. We'll start with the passenger side, so let's go ahead and do that, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, I took the mat off. I scooped the seat all the way back as far as it goes. Won't go anymore. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the mat on. Alright guys, so I put the passenger side in so far. I still have to put these little buttons in. So these buttons, they just hook on underneath the panels here. Same thing here, there's more buttons to hook in here. You just slide them in and it'll fit in perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so like I said, I have the passenger side in, I have the driver's side in here, and you can see very contrasting, looks really nice. I am having a little bit of an issue getting these clips in to go under here. So what I'm gonna do, you provided extra, we have different types of clips here. You got Velcro you can use, so I might use Velcro on that side. That way it could stick to the Velcro, and then on this side I might use these other types of clips, see how they work. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out, guys. Alright guys, so I ended up having to take the wire out to make it fit better. So these clips, guys, actually very simple to use. I was misusing them. You could spin them in whatever direction you need them. So you point them up, and then you just slide them under here, and then it clips right in, see? So I have all the spots clipped in, and it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead, go over to the passenger guy's side, and it's really hot out right now. Approaching 100 degrees pretty soon now. And do the same here. Just flip them backwards and slide them all in backwards. We're pointing up, I mean. Slide it in. As soon as it's going all the way, just give it a little different angle here. There we go, it's in. See, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that on all of them, and then we'll do the back.
Yeah, make sure you guys use code SRT-15 for 15% off on LuxusCarMats.com, guys. Come on, support the channel. I need mods.
Alright guys, the car mats are in, they're installed. Let's go ahead and take a look and see how they look. Here's the driver's side. It looks really nice, guys. I really like it. Let's go ahead and sit in here so you guys kind of see what it looks like from the driver's perspective here. There we are. So I got red, like I said, I wanted to, you know, contrast with the black I have in here, and I think it was a great idea. And like I said, I didn't want to go with the diamond design because it feels like everybody does. It's a really nice view in here now. I definitely like them better than the mats I had before. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. There's the back. Very nice. See if I can get a angle of the whole car up here. Let's see. Very nice, guys. The red and black contrast looks really good. Let's go take a look at the passenger side and the passenger, well, the whole passenger side as a whole, I should say. Here's the passenger side. Very nice, guys. And like I said, they buttoned up very easily. So the install took me about 15 minutes or so. Very nice, guys. Let's go ahead and sit in here. Very nice. I would say it's a definite upgrade. Looks really good in here now. Alright guys, well you saw how it looks. Install was super easy. You see me, I'm really sweaty already. It's getting hot out. And to be honest guys, I sweat for anything. I'm not gonna lie. Anyways guys, that's gonna be all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe guys. And if you guys, you know, have been messaging me on Instagram, I'm sorry if I get to if I respond to you guys late. I'm sorry, I can't talk right now because it's so hot out. Anyways guys, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm SRT Dad, and I'm out.